Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix high CPU and low GPU usage in Fortnite. So those high PU and low GPU usage means that you don't have any more available space for your CPU and GPU to work. That may be because you have a lot of apps open into your system. So what we can do is we can head over right here to our search bar and then just search it here for Task Manager. So once you have opened right here your task manager, you should be able to see in here all of the actual application that's open right now into your system. So let's wait for it to open and now we have this. So this is all the background processes as well as the apps that are detected by our actual app manager. So as you can see, each app uses CPU, memory, disk, and network. And as you can see, our CPU works 98% right now. So what we can do is we can just head over and then locate in here specific so that we can close down in order to free up some CPU usage. So as you can see right now, let's choose in here the Windows Explorer or this one. Then right click on it. Then click onto this end task. And it should actually reduce the CPU as well as GPU usage. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.